Hi everyone, this is Dalis, also known as Stamper Girl for Kat Scrappiness. Today I will be introducing the Christmas Bubbles die set. This die set has 5 different bubbles. One is the base, or you can use it just to create a single layer bubble, and the other 4 are layers. The sizes are, the bubbles are about 1/8 of an inch wide by 1.5 inches tall. The short tie is about 5/8 of an inch by 1 3/4 of an inch. And the long tie is 5/8 of an inch by 2.5 inches tall. In here, as you can see, I just poking the pieces, the extra pieces out of the layer bubble and then putting it over the solid layer. You can layer them the same color, or like this, you can layer them with whichever color combination makes your heart say holidays. Here is another, here is the swirly version, same thing, I'm poking out those little layers, and you can save those layers and use them on top of a different solid layer. Or you could use the part that I'm using, which is the positive part. For this guy, I am popping everything around. I am keeping the outline for this. I'm going to glue the outline. And if you notice, I did not poke the little 3 dots from the top and bottom of the semicircles. So I am going to use this. And then now I'm going to put glue just to the 3 little dots, and I am going to put this over the opening, and then I'm going to force the 3 little circles with my pokey tool. This is my Kat Scrappiness pokey tool. And then I will pull the piece and they'll be set up perfectly where they belong. Same thing here. And as you can see, we have 3 of the 4 bubbles already set. Now we have one more, which is the one with the stars. Again, you could set up these the way I am doing it. All these pieces that I'm not using, you could actually use them to put over more of the solid layers to create a opposite look to the ornament. Here is my stars. Again, I'm poking the little pieces out with my Kat Scrappiness pokey tool, and I am applying glue. I'm going to put this over my solid area, and I have cut the center star in a gold holographic cardstock that I'm going to put in the middle. And I have cut all of the tops for the ornament, the little piece that holds the glass ornament in place, in that same gold holographic cardstock, and that's what I'm going to be doing here. That's the almost the final layer. So I'm going to put these on, and then I have the little ties. You can leave them in the colors that coordinate your ornament, or you could actually do them in black or in white to look like a ribbon that you would use to hold your ornaments in. Right now I'm using this other side of my pokey tool that it is a wax end. The wax end will hold the pieces so I can put them on, and now I'm poking the little centers of all my ornaments out. I really truly love this set, and it is worth saying that this ornament set matches the sizing perfectly to be used with the Grinch hand die set that it's being released for this holiday release for Kat Scrappiness. So give it a look, check it out, and these ornaments will look super adorable and perfect with the Grinch hand. Here is a close-up look of the ornaments. I truly love how they turned out. Check out our new release and let us know if you have any questions.